Hello mga gamers, so nga pala si Ayana, and today's video maglalaro tayo ng That's Not My Neighbor. So bago natin tayo start, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Single player lang tayo guys. Checklist guys. Wait. Checklist. Check if on the list. Okay. Check ID. Okay. The date is September 2021. No. Make sure name is right. Make sure number the same as in the folder. Make sure that stamp is on card. Okay. Make sure date is correct. Okay. And then check entry request. Make sure name is spelled correctly. Make sure apartment number is correct. Make sure cut stamp is there. Check folder. Make sure job is correct. Make sure appearance is correct. Okay. Fill out checklist. Use to question. Is ID is correct or not? Is appearance correct? Is entry request right? Are they on the list? And then push if clone. Use phone. Call 1188 to get rid of clone. Okay. Push if human. Okay. Hindi naman pala eh. Okay. Hello. So, are you into this? No. No. And, noob. Wait. Ba't ba? Yung number niya is 22. Wait natin sa folder. Wait. Tignan natin ito. Ang ano lang, isin ko lang siya sa ano. You're in 1188. Okay. You're not in here. You're not in today's list. A group of students have been sent to your building. Okay. Oh, yes. Tap your first cologne. Yay! Sabi na eh, siya yung cologne eh. Cologne extraction complete. Okay, you can continue your job. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mister. Okay, oh my god, what is this, bro? Are you in today's list? Nope. ID? Sketch. Bakit? May something wrong, bro? Gamers? Sketch. Where's the sketch? Nasaan ka? Sketch. Saan siya dito? Ayun, ito. ID number. Okay, 157. Tama, pero doon ka eh. Get out of my building. Get out. Ay, mali. Get out. You clone sketch. Hello, you contact the cat. A group of agents who have been sent to your building. Yes, thank you. Please wait for the clone instruction to be done. Clone extraction complete. Oh, thank you. Dalawa na yung clone na. You can continue your job. Kasi ang iba sa kanya is wala siya storage is sleep. Ayan ako po, milkman. Hello. Francis the milkman. Apartment. Then, okay. Francis milkman. Okay.
Oh, meron na!
Oh, wait lang guys. Wait. Apartment. Oh, tama. Okay. Tingnan natin kung nandito siya. Saan yun? Where is? Where's is? Where is milk? Pantay. Francis 889. 889. Okay, 889. Tama. Okay, tama naman. Social I1, ID, meron, appearance, nandito, entry request, yes, today's date, okay, yung human. Oh, that's, Preston Big, yay. Okay, what the? Preston yan, Big. Bakit pangalan mo Adam Big, bro? 2024. And yeah, it's Preston Big. Ay, mali. Mali lahat, bro. Ready? Yes, meron. And request now. And today's this. Get out. Get out. You're not. Your clone. Your clone. Your clone. Isa lang nakuha ko. Ano guys? Isang nakuha ko na. Ano. Hello, you're contacted Dakat. A group of agents have been sent to your building, blah blah blah. Clone extraction complete. You may continue. You can continue your job. Si Preston na naman, bro. Preston Big. Oh, okay. May pimple na siya ngayon, ah. Si Dennis, si Pinkilis, nandito din si Pinkilis. Preston Big. ID number. Oh, tama. Wait. Ito, si Adam Pig, bro. Si Adam Pig. Iba sila. Ngayon, mag-friends. Or brothers. I don't know. Preston Big. ID number. Okay, well, contact check. Smiling, bald, white shirt. Always wear bandana. Okay. Preston Big. 304. Okay, you are real. Ay, mali, nakalimutan. Hello. Who are you? Bakit wala kang ID and appearance? You're not in today's list. ID no, appearance no, entry. Wait, tingnan natin. Nakita ako dito eh. Si Bacon tapos si Bacon tapos si Bacon girl. Ito. Jane Bacon ID number. Wala nga yung ano niya. Bacon hair, smiling, blue jacket, white shirt. Appearance, yes. Entry request, no. Today's list, no. You're not today on today's list. Get out of my building now. Get out. So far, so good, guys. Hello, you can take. Come. What? Please, okay. Some extraction completed. Oh, thank you, Mr. Cut. Oh, this is Bacon. Hello, Bacon. Where is your ID, huh? Where is your ID, John Bacon? John the Bacon. John Bacon. Oh, tama. Okay, tama naman. Wait. Ito yun, diba? Ito, John Bacon. ID number. Butcher. Appearance. Bacon hair. Smiling. Smiling. Black jacket. Blue shirt. Butcher siya. Butcher. Butcher ka ba? I'm president of the building I come from. My jump as a butcher. Oh, butcher nga siya. Pero wala kang ID. Ay, naka po. ID, no? Appearance, yes. Entry request, yes. Today's list, yes. Ask the question. I'm sorry, I forgot to give you. Oh, there. She have the. Oh my god. She have. Okay. Oh, tama. Tama gusto. So, yun ang ID niya. Okay. You're real. You're not a clone. Kita ka here. Hello. You in today's list? Yes. Sergeant Super Apartment. Sergeant Super. Hey. 2026. Wala pa yan. 2024 pa lang, dude. Grabe ka naman. Dami naman yung ano mo. Sergeant. Okay. Liban Protein. Ha? Reason pa ba yun? Guys, reason ba yun o hindi? Reason or hindi? Tell me in the comments. Grabe na to What's up? Sergeant Super.